1 week dumbbell training plan for beginners. We trained our upper limbs before, and today we will practice our hips and legs. The lower limbs are very important to us. Everyone must practice our first action more. The high instep squat is very good for activation and warm-up. Then do 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps per set, mainly targeting the front of our thighs. The second action, dumbbell squat, we can increase the weight of this action, and then do 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps per set. This action mainly targets our legs. The third action, dumbbell sumo squat, this action mainly targets our inner thighs and buttocks. Also do 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps per set. The fourth action, dumbbell deadlift. This action mainly targets the back of our thighs and gluteus maximus. Do 4 sets of 8 to 15 reps per set, and then the last action, dumbbell shoulder squat. This action can stimulate our thighs and buttocks very well, and it is also very good as a finishing action. Do 4 sets for each leg, 12 to 15 reps in each set. If your legs are not thick and you have dumbbells, start practicing.